it's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure Storage Tiers skills. Question 1. Which storage tier in Azure is best for infrequently accessed data? The answer is Cool tier. The Cool tier is optimized for storing data that is infrequently accessed. Question 2. What is the main purpose of the Archive Storage tier in Azure? The answer is low-cost storage for archival data, as Archive tier offers the most cost-effective storage for data that is rarely accessed. Question 3. How does the Hot Storage tier differ from the Cool tier? The answer is Hot tier is for frequently accessed data, as the Hot tier is designed for data that is frequently accessed, while Cool is for infrequent access. Question 4. Which storage tier is the most cost-effective for rarely accessed data? The answer is Archive tier, as Archive Storage tier is the cheapest for long-term retention of rarely accessed data. Question 5. What is a key feature of the Premium Storage tier? The answer is low latency and high throughput, as the Premium tier offers high-performance storage with low latency, ideal for performance-intensive apps. Question 6. Which Azure Storage tier is used for transactional data in cloud apps? The answer is Premium tier, as the Premium tier is used for high-performance transactional applications requiring low latency. Question 7. How is data stored in the Archive Storage tier in Azure? The answer is data is compressed and offline, as Archive Storage data is offline and compressed to reduce storage costs for rarely accessed data. Question 8. Which of the following is not a valid Azure Storage tier? The answer is Hot, Cool, Archive, and Low, as Premium, Hot, Archive is valid, Low is not a valid tier in Azure Storage. Question 9. What is a common use case for the Cool Storage tier in Azure? The answer is backup and disaster recovery, as the Cool tier is used for backups and disaster recovery, where access is infrequent. Question 10. Which storage tier should be used for data that needs to be accessed immediately but not frequently? The answer is Hot tier, as the Hot tier is ideal for data that needs to be accessed immediately and frequently. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe skillr.com.